Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and this is my little sister Aniyah, and we are going to be doing a slime video, but also I'm going to be giving her some advice for entering high school. She is going to high school in September? August. So yeah, so I'm super excited for her to go to high school. You're super excited?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're excited. So I'm going to give her advice but yeah, no one gave me any advice when I was going to high school. Like, it was pretty much school starts in September. This is the start date, just go. And I pretty much had to figure it out on my own. So I'm going to give you some advice so that you're not going in there blind like I did. And yeah, and in the meantime, she's going to be showing me how to make slime. So we're both going to be learning a little something today. So yeah, so if you guys want to see us make slime and me give her a little bit of advice, then just keep on watching. So we have our bowls, and we have our glue. This is laundry detergent.
No, you use borax and water.
Okay, but instead of borax, so we don't have that, we're going to use laundry detergent. And then we have all types of glitters, different colors. I think I want to use silver and maybe this white one for mine. So I don't have a mic, so you got to speak up.
I will be using this green.
Okay. And we also have like food coloring.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with our glue.
Okay. You're so funny. So I'm just gonna pour. Ooh, did you put water in here?
It's okay, it's going. Just dump it all in there.
Can I start off by saying we bought like 12 things of glue? Why we have none left, I don't know. But anyway, so into the advice. So my first piece of advice that I would give her would obviously be to get good grades. Even though you already know that, she already gets really good grades throughout like 8th grade and all the other grades, but it would be to stick with it after high school. Not for everyone, but I'm pretty sure my dad wants her to go to college, and she wants to go to college. So, you know, instead of just going into that automatically knowing that you're going to be paying out of pocket because you got bad grades, you might as well just go get good grades so that you get scholarships and people are just like throwing money at you. Don't you want that?
Yeah.
I want people to throw money at me, but for me, I didn't go into high school, thinking that way. I had so many other things on my mind, so I didn't go into high school, like, oh, let me get these straight A's. I didn't, I'm going to be honest. So I want you to do that so that you can go to college and actually finish, because we all went to college, but none of us actually finished. So I want you to be the first one to actually finish and, get that bomb job and making that bomb money so you can take care of me when I get old. So also what ties into good grades for scholarships would be to get involved into like sports and stuff, and maybe like little clubs. You said you want to do like dance team?
The step team.
Oh yeah, like step team. I didn't do any of that because I was like a shy child. I was very shy, so I didn't do any of that. But yeah, if you go and do you want to do like sports?
I thought that was a sport.
I mean like track, basketball, football. No?
I don't know. I don't know yet.
But I'm just saying, find some group and just belong to it. You know what I'm saying? Mm. Find you a nice group of friends and just do fun stuff together, and also for like the yearbook, like I was in maybe like 2 pictures. I wish I would have did more clubs and stuff so I can be involved in more pictures and stuff in the yearbook.
I wanted to go to a historical black college.
And you can.
But I don't even know where it was at.
You don't know where it's at?
Like, I don't know like what places they would be at.
There's,
I don't really know much about that.
Like what states and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, that's why you have your guidance counselor. Guidance counselors are bomb for that. Am I doing
That's a lie.
Sorry.
You saw how I was dipping it? Like,
I didn't know.
The tip? That's about to be...
Okay. This is going to be dark pink?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's red. Alright.
I told you. Like, you're supposed to, like, put the tip in. Like, I wanted mine to light color, so I didn't put that much on there.
Oh, okay.
No, it was like
Just
neon.
Oh, alright. Well, I got dark pink. But yeah, as I was saying, that's where you take advantage of like your guidance counselors and stuff, so that they can put you in the right direction, and then you can go visit these schools before you choose one.
So we're gonna put some foam soap in there.
And what's the foam soap for?
Just to make it thicker.
So you guys see we're using my hand soap from my bathroom.
Sure am.
But yeah, so definitely use your guidance counselor to your advantage while you have them. So I want you to take advantage of that for sure. Definitely go to your guidance counselor and have her show you those, historical black colleges, and you can pick from there. And you can go visit, and then just make it happen, sis. Make it happen.
I'll make it happen.
Let me go ahead and add some foam to mine.
I'm gonna change mine to a dark blue because.
Yes, please.
Wait.
How much soap? Oh, Jesus.
It
How
don't
much
matter.
does it need? A lot?
No, don't put too much.
So my next piece of advice would be, which doesn't seem like something important, but it actually is, would be to make friends. Of course, once you get to like a certain age, you're like, I don't need friends. I don't need friends. But honestly, like, to be honest, I probably wouldn't even like made it through like high school. Not saying I wouldn't made it through, but my friends made it a lot easier process of making it through high school. So definitely make friends, and everyone's not going to be your friend, but I'm pretty sure at this age you already know that.
I knew that.
Everyone's not going to be your friend, but those friends that you know are real, hold on to them. Like, cause I have like a good 4 or 5 friends that I still have from high school, which is a lot, because some people don't even leave high school with that. But definitely make friends and just make the best of your experience, because those 4 years are going to go like that, and before you know it, you're going to be like me, paying rent. Everything's going to be coming out your pocket. Okay. So definitely take advantage of that while you're there. You want to talk about the boys?
I don't care.
You don't care about boys?
Like, now, we can talk about it.
Okay. So, definitely I'm going to say the first, oh, this is pretty. The first, I'm going to say freshman, sophomore year, that should be like the furthest thing from your mind. But daddy doesn't want you to date anyway. But when you are
He don't
allowed,
talk about it. Like, he don't acknowledge it at all. Like,
I mean, I don't know if the not acknowledging it thing will work, but I mean, because eventually boys are going to come. They want to come around. But I want you to know your main focus should be your education. Definitely freshman, sophomore year. I didn't get my first real boyfriend until 12th grade, so I would hope that would be like the same for you. You know? This is so pretty. Look at mine. Mine about to be lit, sis. I'm about to add this white one too.
I'm making it.
So definitely just make sure your grades and stuff are online, and then maybe daddy won't care if you decide to start dating.
He gonna always care.
Well, he gonna care, but it's not something he can stop from happening, you know? But as long as you don't let that distract you from what you're there for. Because I started dating, and then I completely let that distract me from my purpose of being there. Like, I went to school to see my boyfriend, and I do not want that to be you, like. And then we broke up like right before my when did we break up?
Just bad.
Like right before graduation. So my graduation experience was horrible because I was going through a breakup. So don't let that be a focus for you. Like, so we're going to be adding soap. Laundry detergent to make it.
It is soap.
What does it do?
It activates it.
It's going to activate it. So just. Oh, let's talk about drama, high school drama. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with drama. You went through 8th grade. My drama started in 8th grade.
My drama been started like 6th grade.
Oh, kids are different now. But anyway, yeah, drama. That's another thing that 5th grade. You had drama in 5th grade.
Yep.
Yeah, mine's really did for the most part. Like, mine came along in 8th grade. But drama like times 10 once you get to high school. Like, everyone has a problem with something. It's gonna be, oh, she said this, she's wearing that. Someone say something about you. If it doesn't apply, let it fly. That sounds so corny, but if it don't apply, let it fly. You know what I'm saying? Is that what you do now? What do you do now when drama is presented?
I don't be in drama like that.
You said it started in 5th grade, or is it other people's drama?
I mean, it's like other people, like, I can't explain it, but it'd be like other people's drama that involve me, but I don't really get into it like that.
You don't want to throw the hands?
I don't mind, but
No, I ain't throwing no hands, girl.
Exactly. Don't say it.
I'm just kidding with you. You're a cutie. Cute girls don't fight. Why are you making faces? Mine is not working out like yours.
You're just putting too much.
I didn't put too much. Nah. Look, like in here. Like the bottom of mine is not sticking. Should I put more?
Yeah. Just a little bit though.
You just said I put too much.
I thought it was thick.
Ugh. Ooh, prom. Are you excited about prom? Even though this is so far away for you.
Not
But
really.
they have like junior and senior prom, right?
I don't know.
I believe so.
I think they do.
I don't know. I forgot. I don't know. Something like that. But yeah, prom is something I really looked forward to. Ooh, let me tell you. This is something I thought I would never repeat because it's so trifling. So I went to prom and you know how people wear like waist trainers or like Spanx?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know nothing about that stuff. Like no one told me about Spanx, and like I had like a little, you know, a little muffin top. I don't know. I had a little something. Not really, but I did as a kid. And you know what I did to disguise it?
Right.
You know what ace bandage is?
Oh, what they put on my knee when I dislocated.
Yes,
my
I
knee.
had that wrapped around my waist at prom.
Look at him.
No one told me. That's the thing. That's why I want to tell you these things because no one told me. No one said, "Oh, Lima, just go get some Spanx." Oh, Lima, it's really not a big deal. You don't really need that, like or anything like that. So I had on ace bandage, and then the guy that I went with, his mom, she noticed it, and I wasn't embarrassed then because as a kid you don't think about that kind of stuff. But think about it now, I'm like, what the heck? Why did I
have a doctor's thing around your knee?
That's what
around your.
I'm pretty sure I didn't come up with that on my own. Like I don't know who suggested it or what. But
Mommy didn't know that.
I don't know if she knew or not. But if his mom saw it, I'm pretty sure mommy saw it. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I had ace bandage around my waist. So,
How they see it?
because the way my dress was, like, the back, I think my back was out. So, you could probably see like, the top of, like, the ace bandage or something. So, yeah, so I definitely want to be involved in your prom process.
Okay. Okay.
So, we
Bring
can.
the check.
Okay. This girl thinks I don't know if she thinks I'm rich or I don't know what she thinks, but I'm not. Okay, for the record.
Sure is.
But yeah, I definitely want to be involved in the prom process. Make sure you arrive, you know, because these kids are going these days in Lamborghinis and.
Right. My friend from our 8th grade prom, she had a limo. Like people went in limo.
See, I'm telling you, these kids are pulling up. Like, if you want a little rented Maserati, we can hook that up.
Oh, you can buy it.
I said rent. There's a diff, okay?
Okay, well, you can rent.
Rent a Maserati. But yeah, so this is mine. Mine is not working out like hers.
It's fine.
Look how it's all stuck to the spoon.
Just pull it off.
Every time we play with slime, mine's always gets stuck all in my fingers, all in my nails and stuff. She can touch it and it just won't get stuck to anything. Yeah, so I just want you to have the best possible high school experience. So like, are you excited? Like,
Excited for what?
for high school?
Just for what part?
For all of it. Like, you don't understand. Like, this 4 years are gonna go whoosh. Like, you're not even gonna see it. And you wear glasses, you really ain't gonna see it. Like. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't know if she's going to take any of these tips and actually apply them.
I am.
She's barely listening to me.
I am listening. I'm just not.
But yeah, so you guys will be seeing Aniyah more on my channel. Her name's Aniyah, but we call her Beater Skeeter.
You
Her-
call me Beater Skeeter.
People, nobody else calls you Beater Skeeter?
Daddy and Mommy do.
Yeah, the family calls her Beater Skeeter. Okay guys, so that is all the advice I have for my sister. I hope that she takes some of these tips and actually apply them. There's a lot more that I can go on and say, but you know, I'm just going to be a phone call away. So if you're ever feeling, you know, that you don't know something or you need to know something, you just pick up the phone and call me. And I will, you know, let you know the deal. So thank you all so much for watching. We will be doing some more videos. I'm probably going to do a video with her like doing my makeup or something. Terrified, but we're probably going to do that. But yeah, thank you, Aniyah, for coming by and participating.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. But thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay.
borax and
I
stuff.
can see you playing with your leg on the side there.
Oops. You can see my leg.
I could see you playing with it. My mouth is juicy. Can you please pay attention to the camera? You're
Oh,
like,
I am.
Alright, so we have our glue and our spoon. You would get the ugliest spoon out the kitchen, Can you give me a cuter spoon, please?
You could at least have been trusting my channel. I was.